This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor before making any changes to your diet, lifestyle, or supplements. Please make sure to stick around until the very end. I've got an exclusive free gift for you that'll take your results to the next level. Now, let's dive in. Your cells could be starving right now, and the scary part is most people have no idea it's happening. You go to the doctor, your blood work looks fine, your doctor says everything is normal, but you still feel tired, foggy, and worn out. The problem might not be your blood. The problem might be inside every single cell in your body. Today, we are counting down 7 signs that your cells are not making enough ATP energy, and by the end of this video, how you think about your energy will never be the same. ATP is your cell's energy currency. Think of it like the electricity that powers everything in your house. Without it, nothing works. Not your brain, not your muscles, not your organs, nothing. Inside your cells are mitochondria, tiny power plants that make ATP. When they stop making enough ATP, your whole body starts sending out distress signals. Most people ignore these signals for years. Some people never figure out what is wrong. After watching this video, you will know what to look for and what you can start doing about it. Before we jump into the list, if you care about your long-term energy, brain power, and health, make sure you like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any of these daily science-based health breakdowns. Let's start the countdown. Symptom number 7. You feel weak for no clear reason. You feel physically weak even when you haven't done anything hard. Here's what happens. When your cells can't make enough ATP, your muscle fibers can't contract the way they should. Every single movement you make needs ATP. Picking up a grocery bag, climbing stairs, walking across a parking lot. When your mitochondria are struggling, your muscles feel like they're running on a nearly dead battery. This weakness often gets blamed on getting older or being out of shape, but it can actually be a sign of a deeper energy problem inside your cells. Red light fix. Cut down on refined sugar and white flour, and start taking short walks after meals. Too much sugar can overload your cells and create oxidative stress, which damages the parts that make ATP. Cut the sugar, protect the machinery. Symptom number 6. Brain fog and trouble focusing. Your brain uses a huge amount of your body's energy, even though it's small compared to the rest of you. When ATP drops, your brain feels it fast. Your thoughts slow down, words are harder to find, and you may need to read the same sentence several times. Many people spend money on focus supplements when the real problem is that their brain cells are low on usable energy. Start adding healthy fats to your meals like avocado, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Your brain can run very well on ketones, a type of fuel made from fat. When your blood sugar is up and down and your cells are struggling, ketones can act like a backup fuel for your brain. Symptom number 5. You're always cold, especially in your hands and feet. Heat in your body is a side effect of your cells making energy. When your cells are making plenty of ATP, they also make warmth. When ATP production falls, it gets harder for your body to keep a steady temperature. Poor blood flow to your hands and feet makes it even worse, because those cells get fewer nutrients and less oxygen. Make sure you're getting enough B vitamins, especially B1 and B3. These vitamins help the chemical steps that turn food into ATP. They can be lowered by high-sugar diets and constant stress, so focus on whole foods like meat, fish, eggs, beans, and whole grains. Symptom number 4. Heart flutters or an odd heartbeat. This one is serious. Your heart has a lot of mitochondria because it never stops working. It needs a constant supply of ATP to keep a steady beat. When your heart cells can't make enough ATP, the electrical signals that control your heartbeat can become uneven, and you may feel flutters or skips. One common missing piece is magnesium, a mineral your body uses to make and use ATP. Look at how much magnesium you get from food. Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and beans are good sources. If your diet is low in these foods and high in processed snacks and fast food, your cells may not have enough of what they need to make energy. If this is making sense to you and you want more content like this backed by real science, Take a second right now to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps more people find this information and tells me to keep making deep dive videos like this for you. Symptom number 3. You recover very slowly from workouts or getting sick. Recovery takes a lot of energy. When you work out, your muscles get tiny tears that must be repaired. When you fight off an infection, your immune system works hard. All of that repair needs a lot of ATP. If your cells are already barely keeping up, your recovery drags. You might feel sore for 5 or 6 days after a workout that used to take 2 days to bounce back from. Use intermittent fasting in a way that is healthy for you, and make sure you get enough protein. Fasting, when done properly, can trigger mitophagy, a cleanup process where your body gets rid of damaged mitochondria and builds better ones. That can improve how your cells make energy over time. Symptom number 2. Constant low-level anxiety or dread. This one surprises people. Your nervous system and stress system also need a lot of ATP. When cellular energy is low, your body can read that as a threat. It may turn on your fight or flight response even when nothing scary is happening. Your adrenal glands release more stress hormones, your heart rate may go up a little, and you feel on edge without knowing why. Make sleep and blood sugar control your top priorities. Poor sleep harms your mitochondria. Lots of sugar and junk food cause blood sugar spikes, followed by crashes that push your stress hormones up. Sleeping a regular schedule and cutting back on refined sugar can work together to calm your system. Symptom number 1. Extreme fatigue that sleep does not fix. This is the classic sign of deeper mitochondrial energy problems. You sleep 8 hours and wake up exhausted. You take a nap and feel no better, or even worse. Your blood tests are normal. You're told to sleep more and exercise more, but nothing changes. Here's why. If your mitochondria are not making enough ATP, sleep alone can't refill your energy tank. Even sleep itself needs energy to repair your body and brain. So you get stuck in a loop. Low energy, poor repair, even lower energy. Daily routine that ties it all together. Cut down on refined carbs and added sugars. Add healthy fats and quality protein to every meal. Try an eating window, intermittent fasting, that is safe for you to encourage mitophagy. Get B vitamins and magnesium from whole, real foods. Move your body after meals, even just a 10-15 minute walk. Go to bed and wake up at about the same time every day. These steps are simple, but when you do them consistently, they can help rebuild your cellular energy from the ground up. Your daily routine goal is simple. Eat in a window that works for you, cut the sugar, feed your mitochondria what they actually need, and let your body do the rest. Now here is what I want you to do right now. Go to the description below and watch your next must-watch video that I've linked for you there. While you're in the description, grab your completely free keto ebook that goes even deeper into how to restore your cellular energy. And if this video gave you even one useful insight today, make sure you like the video and subscribe for more daily health wins. Thank you for watching.